The Marri Students Association, NEHU unit, will be presenting a medley of four main dances of the Marri tribe, namely Chawnlam, Tangkawng, Hranglam, and Ṭinna. Chawnlam is one of the main dances of the Marri tribe, usually performed during the harvesting festival, Each dance has its own variation and its own style of drumming, and is usually accompanied by gong string and bell bangles to make it sound more pleasing. Tangkawng is also one of the victory dances of the Marri, celebrating a victory over the enemy that was achieved with the help of a Tangkawng, or the monitor lizard. Hranglam is an ancient victory dance performed to honor successful hunters and great warriors. Believed to be one of the oldest traditional songs of the Marri, Hranglam songs are often accompanied by chantings of bringing of enemy heads, the people's miseries as well as the glories of the people. Ṭinna, meaning departure. Ṭinna is usually performed at the end of the harvesting festival after a hearty celebration at the when the time came for all to depart and return to their own homes. The people would reminisce about the wonderful time spent at the festival and sing about the nostalgia that would follow once they departed. This is where Ṭinna came to be. This is a song of departure, of longing, yearning, and saying goodbye with a promise to meet again.
Try me Marri.